I see you have at last devised a carriage that moves without the fiery breath of combustion, without the clatter of hooves or the wretched stench of smoke. Magnifico! And yet, I must ask, why is it so ugly? I see before me a machine that glides as the wind, propelled by the forces of nature captured within metal and glass. You have chained the lightning itself. It is a miracle. And yet you place it in a box as dull as the crates in which merchants hold their wares. Have you no sense of elegance, no love for form that pleases the eye as well as the hand? When I designed my flying machines, I did not simply ask, will it work? I asked, will it soar with the grace of the sparrow, the majesty of the eagle? But more troubling is this: you believe you have conquered nature, but you have merely shifted the battlefront. You discarded the fumes of oil, but in their place you tear open the earth's belly to steal metals for your engines. You boast of a world unchoked by smoke, but tell me, what of the rivers you poison to cleanse your machines, the mountains you strip bare to feed your hunger for power? You move forward, yes, but do you see where your feet land? And here, I must ask, why do you still crawl upon the ground? Your ancestors dreamed of the heavens, yet your marvels still scurry like mice upon stone paths. I designed wings, for I knew that true freedom lay in the sky. And yet centuries later, you still sit in cages of steel, waiting in lines, trapped by roads built for a world of beasts and carts. Do you not dream of lifting beyond them? But perhaps you are not so different from my own time. I too knew men who believed they had achieved perfection when in truth they had merely drawn a finer cage. You too believe you have conquered motion when all you have done is exchange one tether for another. And so I say to you, inventors of this age, do not be content. Do not settle for the merely functional, for the moderately efficient. Look to the birds, to the rivers, to the sky. There, my friends, is where true innovation awaits. Your machines should not move, they should dance, they should not exist, they should inspire.